Sir, you earlier mentioned that you're keeping a close eye on the meeting between Chinese President Xi Jinping and U.S. President Donald Trump. What key points in their meeting do you feel that will impact the Philippines most and is most of concern to you?
Well, I'd love to know, but parang we haven't gotten very much information out of either side. Either the American side or the... Meron ba kayo, anong balita ninyo? I'll ask you. Baka kasi you monitor the news. Ano bang nangyari sa meeting nila?
Does that count as my follow-up question na?
Kaya hindi na...
Sir, basically...
lahat nung nakikichismis ako, lahat ng mga leaders, may alam ka ba? May alam, anong nabalitaan mo? And it so happened, during the round table, ang katabi ko, si Secretary Lacnic. Kami ang dalawa. So I kept pushing him. I said, can you share some? Yeah, but I was very tight-lipped about it. So it's very hard. The best information I got says that they have declared peace for at least a year. So the trade war will be less intense, at least for a year. Or at least that's the agreement. And pag nung sinasabi sa amin yon, sabi, well, for ang usapan nila for a year. We hope it lasts a year. So do we. But medyo nakahinga ang buong mundo ng kaunti dahil na medyo nagkaayusan. Kahit na hindi kompleto, nagkaayusan ang dalawang pinakamalaking ekonomiya sa buong mundo, China at saka US. So yes, I think in the end, it was good that they met, and it was good that they came to some conclusions. We are waiting to see more, trying to get more information, to see how it impacts the Philippines, our trade deals with the U.S., our trade deals with China, and I guess within ASEAN and within APEC. It really affects the entire world.